Well, October has been another volatile month when it comes to the financial news out there, and it's always nice to have somebody who is rock steady, good times and bad, that you can kind of turn to for guidance in these times. And that guy for us is Steve Sexton from the Sexton Advisory Group, the president of the Sexton Advisory Group. Last time you were here, we were talking about kind of likening our financial situation to our personal health and getting a good checkup and having a good doctor and so forth. I love the analogy, so where are we going today?
Well, we're going to talk about a sexy topic. It's called taxes.
Oh, no. Okay, folks, get away from that clicker. Don't you do it. This is information that you need to know if you want to navigate some of these tough financial times and not waste any of those hard-earned dollars.
Well, see, most people wait until it's entirely too late in the year to manage their health as it relates to taxes. See, it turns out 70% of people are paying taxes on money they're not even spending. Or, you know what, we know there's IRS rules that allow us to do certain things, but as long as you use those IRS rules, you can reduce your taxes. But on January 1st, it's too late. And right now is the important time to do it.
And, you know, there's just that odd situation that's almost counterintuitive, where if you actually go out and spend some money, you save money on your taxes. I mean, in some cases. I'm maybe oversimplifying, but again, it's counterintuitive. That's where the expert comes in.
That's perfect. The big thing here is this. People just need to begin asking questions to their CPAs and their advisors now. The example that you're talking about works real well with passive real estate investors. See, once they hit a certain income level, deductions start going away. So if they actually sat with their CPA now and asked them the questions, hey, if I took on that deferred maintenance now, I'd have that plethora of deductions where, you know what, I might not if I don't. And all those people who are passive real estate investors, you know what, they might be going, oh my gosh, I've got way too much income and I got that in June.
Right, right.
But you know what, the reality is they can take the next 30 days getting a real estate license and they can take all those deductions and save them a lot of money. Now, on top of that, we have business owners taking a lot of business owners, you know, they take a bonus at the end of the year, but taking that bonus on December 31st or January 1st can have big tax consequences. And for us everyday people that don't realize this, stock portfolios. You know what? There's winners and losers.
Right, right.
And a lot of times, you know, for example, we saw somebody yesterday. They had $50,000 in winners so far this year, but they had $30,000 in losers. So if they sold off the losers to offset some of their winners, they have a higher tax base. Or they can sell off those losers and use that $30,000 to offset some other capital gain, or take a $3,000 deduction every single year.
That's a lot of moving pieces on the chessboard.
Oh yeah, well the big thing is the questions to ask, and you know
Right.
what? There's a ton of people who have those mutual fund portfolio. Inside a mutual fund portfolio, there's called turnover, and what that does is it causes phantom income taxation to hit your income taxes. Now that might be $10,000, $12,000 a year. That could push somebody from a 15% tax bracket to a 25%, and they don't know it. And it's simple as selling off some of those losers to offset the winners, or that turnover. Now, the big thing here is this, learning the questions to ask and making sure you have this conversation with the
You do this, though, at your seminars, right?
Oh, we do it. Yes, we do at our seminars.
You don't charge people for those, which again, is an amazing service that you provide. When is the next one coming up?
The next one, actually, there's one tonight, but it's completely booked. We have 7 spots available for the one on Thursday night. It's at the Courtyard Marriott and Hotel Circle. And it starts at 6 o'clock, so people are going to want to call now. They can call our office and ask for Gina at 1-800-560-2611.
Okay, so there's 7 spots available for that, and then you do these on a regular basis, but folks kind of need to stay in tune, and if they can't get to this next one, they need to be looking down the road here and take advantage of this. Certainly, you can do things with your financial portfolio at any time of the year, right up to the last minute.
Oh, yes.
If necessary. And it's probably better than just throwing up your hands and saying too late, right?
Oh, yes. You know what? The big thing is this. There's so many people that if they just look in the last 3 weeks of the year and take a look at their portfolio and what their income's going to be, they can save themselves a tremendous amount of money. And all it is to say, hey, what questions do I need to ask? You know, what type of income do I have? What is the taxable impact on the investment that I have? How can I reduce that? Talking to a CPA and just asking those type of questions will save you a ton of money.
And you've got another great service that you provide. You really help folks give away money if that's what's on their heart. and show them how that can not only be a great philanthropic thing to do, but it can actually be great for their portfolio as well.
Oh yes, if people have charitable intent in mind, there's many, many strategies that can help them lower their taxes and get huge tax deductions while obviously getting a lot of tax-free money, which really people like.
All right, yeah, and that makes you smile too, I see. Steve Sexton from the Sexton Advisory Groups, always great to see you. Don't forget now to check online and get signed up for the seminar, or call into the office and get signed up for the next upcoming one, and then continue to watch. They are free, and the information is probably worth thousands, if not millions, to some folks. So,
oh, yeah.
Always great to see you, Steve.
Thanks, Mark.
Thanks again. For more information, go to san diego6.com and click on San Diego Living.